Hello everyone, this is Clark speaking. Now I'm going to show you how to use my grasshopper definition to show something interesting in your own map. This part is the map I have already baked into right now, which is Gala City. And this part is my grasshopper definition. I will show you how to show the high buildings and the distribution of pharmacies and hospitals in this area. First, let us insert one existing file, Gala City. This part is always the fastest because it only have to connect the lines and show the high buildings in the city, which is the outline of the skyline of a city. But you could see that we haven't seen anything about the pharmacies and hospitals in this map. It is because we haven't set a rectangle. So let's say I will set it here. Okay, finally we got something on the map. So we could see clearly the distribution of these two healthcare facilities, and also we have a legend here. So the rest of things will be more easy. We could try to filtering different data. For example, now the buildings are higher than 5 meters. That will be counted in. If you want higher, for example, we could put 20. You can see there is much fewer buildings are connecting in this line framework. Also, you could choose to have more squares here. Also, you could choose to change the scale of each square, and also we could choose to change the radius of the pharmacies and hospitals. Another thing I want to mention is that aside from the rectangle or other polygons, we could also choose circle to show the distribution of these two facilities. Let's do this. Yeah, much faster. Okay, now we have circles instead of the rectangle we just saw. Another thing is that if you still choose the rectangle, if this part is orange, it is normal because in this area, the smallest side of each unit, no matter it is a circle or no matter it's a polygon, it is 0. Otherwise, if you choose, for example, we have 2 minimum. Yeah, you could see there are the grid, and that is something we do not want here. So the minimum should be 0, and some of the shapes cannot see, so this part become orange. Another thing is that okay, here. For now, we could see that if you are choosing to use rectangle or square, a cube, the rectangle to display in this part, the shape is like here, like this. So if we want to rotate it to the, let's say, 45 degrees, we have to use this group of components. Just link to here and put it to here. Oops. Yeah. Okay, now you could see the pink rectangle has turned the degree, the angle we want, and the same thing could be used here. Put the rectangle here, and again hold the shift, put it here, and the output will be linked at here. Sorry, this is okay. Now, here is the things. All the rectangles have turned the angles that we want. Also, we could change the type the legend here as you want. For example, could tap la la la, and it should be okay. This one. But remember, you have to select the multiple data here. Otherwise, it will be in one, all in one color. So make sure you have choose the multiple data here. Okay, here is it. Control Z. Okay. Okay, I think that's all I have to tell you today, and hopefully you could find something useful and interesting with my tools in your own map. Thank you.